Why don't vegetables ever get into any trouble? Because they always peas in their pod. A hearty welcome to you all, green thumbs and enthusiastic beginners alike. We're here to delve into the wonderful, healthy and surprisingly humorous world of gardening. I mean, where else would you hear such a corny joke? But it's all in good fun, and what better way to break the ice than with a chuckle? Now that we've shared a laugh, let's dig into the world of homegrown vegetables and herbs. Ever wondered why homegrown tomatoes taste better than the ones from the market? It's not just about the satisfaction of growing them yourself. Dive into the world of homegrown veggies and herbs, and you'll discover a treasure trove of benefits. First off, freshness is unmatched. When you pluck a carrot straight from the soil or snip off a sprig of rosemary from your herb garden, you're getting produce at its peak. This freshness not only enhances the taste, but also preserves the nutritional value that often gets lost in transit from farm to supermarket. Speaking of nutritional value, homegrown produce is a powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These vegetables and herbs are your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. And let's not forget, when you grow your food, you control what goes into it. No harmful pesticides or synthetic fertilizers, just pure, wholesome goodness. But the benefits of homegrown produce extend beyond your health. It's also a win for your wallet and the environment. Think about it. Growing your food can significantly cut down on grocery bills, especially when you're cultivating plants that continually regrow like lettuce or basil. Plus, less trips to the store means less carbon emissions. And by avoiding commercially grown produce, you're also reducing the demand for pesticide use, contributing to a cleaner, greener planet. Indeed, the benefits of homegrown vegetables and herbs are not just limited to your plate, but extend to your pocket and planet too. Imagine having a medicine cabinet right in your backyard. With homegrown herbs, that's exactly what you get. Let's take a look at some common herbs that you can easily grow at home. Picture this: you've got a headache. Instead of reaching for that bottle of painkillers, you stroll to your garden and pick some fresh peppermint leaves. A soothing peppermint tea later, you're feeling refreshed and pain-free. Or maybe you've got a pesky cold. Here comes your garden to the rescue again, with echinacea, known for its immune-boosting properties. These herbs aren't just good for your health, they are also culinary powerhouses. Imagine a sprig of fresh rosemary elevating your Sunday roast to new heights, or a handful of basil leaves transforming your pasta sauce. And let's not forget their aromatic benefits, turning your garden into a natural spa. So it turns out that the secret to good health might just be hiding in your herb garden. Growing your own vegetables and herbs is like having a treasure trove in your backyard. We've taken you through a delightful journey, haven't we? Let's recap. First, we dived into the world of homegrown vegetables and herbs, where each leaf and root is a testament to your care and dedication. This is not just about the unbeatable freshness and taste, but also the nutritional edge that your homegrown produce has over store-bought counterparts. Next, we spoke about the benefits to your wallet. Cost savings are substantial when you grow your own food. And let's not forget the positive impact on Mother Earth, reducing food miles, plastic packaging, and chemical fertilizers. We then highlighted the amazing health benefits of herbs that you can grow right in your backyard. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your meals with flavors, herbs are the little wonders of your garden. So next time you're thinking of a hobby, remember, gardening is not just fun, it's fruitful too. Until next time, keep sowing seeds of health and happiness.